Welcome, Tahoe Dreamin sponsors or potential sponsors. Today, I'm going to be showing how our sponsor cloud works. Keep in mind, this is a work in progress, and we're constantly adding new things to this sponsor cloud for all of our sponsors at Tahoe Dreamin. If you are interested in sponsoring Tahoe Dreamin and just watching this video, please go to tahoedreamin.com, and we do have the information there on how to sponsor the Salesforce Community Conference. Okay, so today I'm going to just show a few items of how they work. So on our homepage, just some overview of how things work and how we can get support. You can use Slack Workspace, create a case in here, email us, or set up a schedule with myself, Bill Greenhaw. Won't go into that much. So then up here on our menu, we do have some sponsor information. So I'm going to click on sponsor description. This is where the information you list will be on our website. So there's another section, update your logo, but your logo will link to a web page on tahoedreamin.com that gives a description of what you do. So I'm going to click next. So it knows what you've put in last. If this is blank, it means you've never put anything in. And then this is rich text, meaning you could put images in, links. You could even link to YouTube videos, and they will embed in there. If you do put a video, the only ones that will embed are YouTube. The rest will have to just link to a website. But you can embed YouTube videos in if you're like. And again, rich text, you can make things bold, different sizes and stuff. And again, this just will show up on the website of what you choose. So once you edit all the information you want, hit next. And we're just saying, good, thanks, all done. So easy as that. And again, this could be very detailed or could be very basic. This is all on you of what you want listed on the website. We do have a link up here to a prior sponsor from last year who did a pretty good job and had a lot of images, links, and videos in their page, and it looked well. So if you want an example, you can look at that link. Okay, so now the next part I'm going to be is logo upload. As you can imagine, we need logos. One for our website, but also any promotional material, printouts we do, signage we do at the conference. So we do need at least one web version, meaning a PNG, JPEG kind of GIF file, and at least one vector image. You can upload as many logos as you would like here. And once you upload and hit next, then the page will update and you can see your past one. So in this case, I have 3 past images here. And these are the links. So if you want to delete one, you would click this and it would delete it. Now the preview will not go away until you hit next, but it will get deleted as soon as you hit this X. But please upload at least one web version and at least one vector, but you can upload multiple. And again, this will be used on the website and other promotional and signage material. Next one down is contacts. So as a sponsor, you could have multiple people log in to this sponsor cloud. They don't even have to be attending Tahoe Dreamin. They could be a marketing person at your company or somebody else that will be helping out. Maybe put that website information up there, uploading the logos. So here you will see a list of the sponsors we already have, contacts for your company. And then if you would like to add anybody else, what you could do is just going down to this description, put their name and email address, hit submit, and you can do it multiple lines. And then we will create logins for them to get to this sponsor cloud. Again, you could have a limited number of people in here. But again, this is not getting them into Tahoe Dreamin. This is just for the support of the sponsor cloud. The next is sponsor discount codes. So hopefully you have read what we are doing on this, but what we're doing this year is you can create your own discount code or codes that will give, we need to update the site because it did change today. What will be giving $40 off per ticket. And then, so you get a code. If they register using that, they will get 40% off, but you will get credit for that registration. And then if you look here, for every 5 registrations, we'll take $400 off your sponsorship. Every 10, 900, etc. on down. And then there's more information there. This not only helps us, but it helps all the sponsors too. Because if you bring in 10 and then the other sponsor brings in 10, you might already know those 10 that you're a customer, but they like the other sponsor, and those ones the sponsor bring may never have seen your product or service, and then they'll be interested in doing it. So it's something we're trying this year, and hopefully it works out. But if I scroll down, here is, if you see no data here, you've never created a code. Or if you see a lot of codes here, these are the ones you've already created. You could do multiple codes if you want to do marketing, different marketing promos with this code. So here's the ones I already have. It's as simple as clicking next, and you could just put in a code. At least has to be 4 digits up to 80. Do not put a space in there. Hit next. And now that one's added. Test, test, test. So again, any of these codes can be now sent out. We will be updating this. These are, you actually now get $40 off. Anybody using it will get $40 off the registration. Not 25. And then farther down, if you start getting people using the code and register, you will see a list of them here. If they've opted out of sharing their information with the sponsor, you're still going to see a line so you know that you get credit for it. It will just not give the first name, first and last name. But if they did not opt out of sharing the sponsor information, since you are the sponsor that brought them here, you will see their name here. And then what discount code they use. So if you're doing multiple, you could then find out what programs are working better and what day they registered. I will say with Tahoe Dreamin, people do have to plan usually going there because most people are at least driving in from a location to get to Tahoe. So this is usually better set out, a month, 2 months in advance at like right now, other than a couple weeks before the conference. A couple weeks before the conference, our attendees, it slows down because people have already planned to attend Tahoe and make their arrangements of how to get up there. So if you will be partaking in this, we do suggest you do this, as soon as possible. We feel the best way to do it is email out to either all your customers or, if you want to go regionally, the local Western region. You can do these on social media too. There's a lot of other social media posts about the conference. So we do ask that you also, if you can, do an email campaign. Sponsors do not have to partake in this. This is optional, but we do hope how you can see it could help the conference and all the sponsors, including yourself, by doing this. If you do have any questions on this, please, again, go to that front page and use one of the many ways to contact us and we could discuss further. But again, simply copy and paste any of these, use that code when somebody registers, and they put that code in, they get $40 off, and you will get credit. Okay. The last over here is discounted hotel rooms. Well, not last, sorry, we still have cases too. Discounted hotel rooms. We do have very low rate hotel rooms for Tahoe during the summer. For anywhere from the Monday before through the Thursday night, that's Friday morning, the hotels are either $69 a night or $89 a night. For Lake Tahoe area, you're not going to find anything lower than that. So please get all the people that you are sending to Tahoe registered before these discounted rooms are gone. And also you could use this in the promotions. It's a very low cost alternative to other conferences, correct? That, we see some conferences in hundreds and hundreds, up to $1,000 per night. And so for Lake Tahoe area, as low as $69 a night during the summer, seems like a steal. So again, get registered using these, but also please, if you want, use them in any of your marketing material of telling people about the conference. And if you are staying the weekend, which we recommend, we do kind of some fun hiking, other activities on the weekend. The prices do go up, but again, for Tahoe area, $89 a night or $229 a night on a weekend in Tahoe, Friday and Saturday night, again, is very, very reasonably and lower cost than what you're going to find anywhere else on the internet. Use these links down here below to register for any of these hotels. Harrah's, just so you know, if you are sharing a room, nice thing about Harrah's is every hotel room has 2 bathrooms. Just how it was built, more for like kind of a skiing place during the winter. That's why they built it that way, so people could share rooms and do it. So Harrah's is a little bit kind of higher class, Every room has two. It's $89 a night during the week. Harvey's is kind of like your typical hotel room, and it is $69 a night during the week. And again, the rates even start before the conference begins. If you do want to come up early, we do have that. We do suggest you at least come up and be there by Wednesday afternoon, early evening, so you can get your booth set up. So please at least have Wednesday and Thursday booked for your hotel rooms. If you want to come earlier, you can use our discounts, or if you want to stay on the weekend. The last is cases. Here, if you've created any cases like asking for more users, you would see them here, or you can click new and create a new case. Ask us anything. Again, this is one way. You could email us. You could also use our Slack workspace. Giving many options to try to give support. We're here for the sponsors. We love our sponsors. All the Tahoe Dreamin sponsors are what make the conference happen. Our registration is the lowest percentage that covers the cost of doing this. So that's why I appreciate you. And anything we could do to support you, we will do. We will be adding more to this sponsor cloud in the future, including documents, your contract, the ability to register people that will be at your booth and tables, things like that. That will be coming soon. But please at least get the sponsor description up and your logos up if you have not yet, as soon as possible, so we can get you on the website. Take care, and thank you again.